In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a knock sensor on your Honda Accord. Remove the connector from the knock sensor, push on the tab right here, and then pull back and remove the connector. Using a 12mm socket, remove the bolt out of the middle of the knock sensor. Remove the bolt and the sensor. Install the bolt into the sensor and reach up there and get your bolt started. Before snugging this sensor down, you're going to want the knock sensor in this position, and you're going to want to keep it in that position when you tighten it down. Torque the knock sensor bolt to 16 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Install the connector, push until you hear a click.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.